What if you could earn money online without showing your face, without editing videos, and without a single dollar to start? Introducing Pippit AI, a powerful tool that lets you create engaging content automatically using just your ideas. No camera, no mic, no problem. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make money with Pippit AI. You can start this today. This can change your life. Many online ways to make money are hard. Some need you to show your face, other ways need you to code, or learn complex marketing skills. This can feel like too much work. It stops many good people. They dream of online income, but they do not start. Imagine a different kind of life. You make money while you are sleeping. You make money while you're on holiday. You do not need to show your face. No one knows who you are. You have total freedom. This is not just a dream anymore. This can be your real life. This is the wealthy path. Let's walk it together. So, what is this magic tool? It is called Pippit AI. Pippit AI is a very smart tool. It is designed to help you. It helps you make videos online. These videos can make you money. Pippit AI makes it fast. It makes it very easy. You will be surprised how simple it is. It is like having a video robot friend. How does Pippit AI actually work? It is simpler than you think. You give Pippit AI a script. A script is just the words for your video. Pippit AI takes these words. It then turns them into a cool video. It does this automatically for you. One of the best parts is AI avatars. What is an AI avatar, you ask? It is like a digital person. Pippit AI has many avatars to choose from. These AI avatars will speak in your video, so you do not need to be on camera. The AI avatar does all the talking. This is a big chance for you. Ready to start with Pippit AI? It is very easy to begin. First, you need to sign up. Go to the Pippit AI website, look for the sign up button. You will make an account. It is usually free to start. You just need an email address. This step takes only a few minutes. Then you are ready for more. Next, you need to pick your topic. This is called choosing your niche. What things do you like to talk about? Maybe you like pets, like dogs or cats, or you enjoy cooking food. Perhaps video games are your passion. Pick a topic that you find interesting. This will make creating content fun. Your passion can become your profit. Think about what people want to see. Now it is time for the script. The script is the text for your video. Your AI avatar will say these words. Keep your script short and simple. Short videos need short scripts. Post it online. Section 4, Cash In. Making money with Pippit AI videos. You have made videos with Pippit AI. Now, how do you make money? One great way is YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are very popular. Post your Pippit AI videos there. If your videos get many views, you earn. YouTube has a partner program. They pay creators for views on shorts. This can be a good income stream. More views mean more money for you. Another smart way is affiliate marketing. This sounds complex, but it is not. You talk about a product in your video. This product can be from another company. You put a special link in your video description. If people click your link and buy, you earn. You get a commission, a part of the sale. Pippit AI videos can promote products. You do not need to own the product, just recommend good things to people. Why not sell your own things? These are called digital products. For example, you can write an ebook, or create a short online course, or even sell templates or guides. This is a great way to earn. Section 5, Pippit AI, the future is easy money. Why is Pippit AI a big deal? It is a true game changer for many. It makes creating video content so easy. Before you needed skills or a camera. Now anyone can make good videos. You do not need to be a tech wizard. You do not need to be an actor. Pippit AI removes these old limits. It opens up new online chances. The power to create is in your hands. Pippit AI also saves you time and money. Think about the old way of making videos. You needed to buy a good camera, maybe a microphone and editing software. This costs a lot of money. You also needed to learn how to edit. This takes a lot of your precious time. With Pippit AI, you avoid these costs. It is like having a cheap, fast helper. This frees up your time for other things. This tool helps you be your own boss. You can make money on your own terms. You can work from your home, or you can work while you travel the world. This is the dream of the 4-hour work week. Take action now and see results. Section 6, your next step, build your online empire. Pippit AI is a fantastic tool. It is one way to make money online. But remember, there are many other tools. The internet is full of helpful resources. Learn about these different tools. They can help you make even more money. They can make your work easier. Combine tools for the best results. This is how you build a real online business, an empire that works for you. You must also keep learning new things. The online world never stays the same. New trends come up all the time. New strategies are found. Read blogs about online business. Watch videos from successful people. Find new ways to earn money. The internet offers endless chances. You just need to look for them. Stay curious and keep growing. So what is your very next step? I strongly encourage you to try Pippit AI. Go to their website, sign up, see for yourself how easy it is. You really can do this.